Hello everyone, this is my video on Windows 10 purposes and features. So let me show you. So first I'm going to talk about desktop, which is the screen you're looking at. So I'm going to talk about how we can sort the things. Like let's say I have many different kind of things like piled here and there. Let's just save something into the desktop. So let's go to car. So let's just save couple of images. So save images, then desktop, save, again save. So let me at least save 4 to 5 or more depending on the time, and then just show you. So this also save as, then save. Yeah, so I have gotten these many pictures. So let's say if you want to, like, if you have all of this like disorganized like this all around there and hard to access, so you can do one thing. You can right click and go to sort by the name, size, item type, and date modified. So let's first do name. So name will be alphabetic. So like first is, so it starts with Google Chrome. It doesn't like work with recycling bin. It always goes at the top while doing this kind of stuff, or you can say sorting. So G, H, so all of the others. Now you can also do one more thing. You can also go to view and select the icons like large icons or medium icons or small icons. So for me, medium icons are okay. You can also do one more thing. You can do Control Shift and 1 or 2. So 1 is for the biggest, 2 is the middle, 3 is smallest. No, also medium, 4 is even smaller, and it just has 4 levels, as you can see. Now I'm gonna show you how to sort by size. So you can again right click and go to sort by, then go to size. So this will show you how much size does it have on the disk. So like if it is 1 GB, 1 megabyte or so on. So let's just click on this and check. So let's go to properties. So how much is it? 13 KB. Size on disk 16 KB. So we are gonna take this and let's check this one. So properties. So this is 398 KB, meaning it goes from smallest to largest, so least to highest. So let me show you. First I'll just go to settings. So now you can change the background or do Windows update, which I choose not to. So now I'll just go to background. Now background image settings. So let's check. You can do picture or you can do slideshow, or you can do a slideshow or a picture or solid color. So let's first check this solid color. So let's do white, or well, it's already white, so let's do black. So let's check it out now. Now it's black. Now let me change it to orange. Now as you can see, this is orange, or let me show you. There you go. Now let's do a picture. So like let's check out this looks nice, the image of the Milky Way. So this. Now let's go to colors. So here you can just check the color of the utility apps like the settings and taskbar. So choose your color. So let's do dark, then all of this will be dark. And if I do like custom, then let's say default transparency effects off, so it will not show anything, and if it is on, it will show the background. So this looks better. Now let's change the color. Let's see. So if I do this, it will be different. Like, yeah, so this is all now the orange color. Now if I change it to like blue, now it will show blue color, as you can see. Now let's say show accent color on the following. So let's check on taskbar now. So as you can see, it has also changed for the taskbar. So let's check this color. So now the taskbar is again changed. So we can also do on this. So I just choose to do it on taskbar only. There are also many other things like lock screen. You can also select what you want to add and what you don't want to add. So I'm just, yeah, this is okay. There's also start and taskbar. So taskbar, like there are also many options like automatically hide taskbar in tablet mode. So I have done this for the desktop mode. You can also do it for tablet mode also. So now let's use small taskbar buttons. So as you can see, now it is miniaturized. Now if I like off it or switch it off, then it would be bigger. So this is better. More apps could be fit into it. So now replace command prompt with Windows PowerShell in the menu. When I right click and start button or press the Windows key, press X. So I don't want to do this. If you don't know what's a PowerShell, it's also like related to CMD. It is also command based software, which I'll talk about in other tutorials. For that, subscribe to the channel. So you can change the alignment like left or top or right. So for me, bottom is okay. So now taskbar labels. So like always hide labels. So like if when taskbar is full, like to never. So like this is the file explorer and settings. So if I like just click on other things, it will show inbox, Gmail and other stuff. So this is also better when taskbar is full. No, always hide label is okay. Or okay, when taskbar is full is better. Yeah, now I'm gonna show you what is snipping tool. So snipping tool is also a very important software, like for anyone who likes taking notes of stuff. Like let's say you're in an automation company and like the person is like, let's say you go to paint 3D. So this is also one of the like common software in Windows, which I'll talk about in other tutorials. So like the person makes a car, let's say, please mind my drawing, it's not much good. So this is my car. Yeah, so this is my car without any wheels. So let me just make some lights. Yeah, so like you are in an automation company and they ask you like, they show you this. So now you want to remember this diagram, but you don't have much time. So you can just open the snipping tool like here, and now you can do a snip. Like you can like as a screenshot, but not a screenshot because it doesn't take the whole screen. You like to customize it yourself. Like when I do new, either you can wait, sorry, yeah, so when I click new it will start. So I'll just keep it somewhere else. No, like if you want to select this, you can select this, or you can just use here, or you can just click on this and like cut out the remaining part like I am doing. So now you can also, so like if you want to save, you can just do Control S and save it, or like if you want any other notes, you can just make a line or just write here roof like this. Or it's better that you have a stylus, it's more easier. I'm using a mouse. You can also do like many other things, like you can make a display, sorry, not a display, a windshield like this. So I'm just not gonna save it. You can also do many other things, like let me just show you. You can change the mode, like you can do a window snip, like which will take the whole window. Like let me show you. Window snip, new. So it has done. So as you can see, the whole display is here, or you can say the whole screen snip is here. Or you can also do, there are many other modes like triangular or free form. So that's like lasso select, if you know what is that. So like it helps you to like select it in any form, like you can do like this. You can just like take out the highlights of the thing you want, like if you only want this and not this thing, sorry. So like if you don't want this thing, you can only select this, the car, like this. So now the car is selected. Or you can also do one more thing in this only. You can, instead of worrying about this, you can just erase it. Easier option. And yeah, this is all in this, and you can also like save it and copy it anywhere or send it to anyone. So I'm just gonna take it. No. So now I'm gonna open Paint, not 3D one, the like the original one. So this is also same as Paint 3D, instead it doesn't have any 3D. So you can just say like hello, hello, or hello, or anything. So you can do many things in this. You have this lot of small stuff to do, then you can use this. But like if you want to do something professional, then like you would have to do like the Photoshop, GIMP, or any these other kind of editors. Or instead of just clicking this again and again, you can just go to like undo all of this, and this is like done. Now you can start over. You can also do Paint with 3D, which is not much needed for now because I'm showing you this only. So now you can change the shape. Let's say make a rectangle, and the rectangle speaks something. Awkward, right? But still. Hi, I have 3 sides. This looks good. Oopsies. Yeah, so let's do it again. Hi, I have 3 sides. So now I'm just gonna make it smaller. Now bigger font. Or a bit smaller. So you can do it as per your needs. And you can also do spray paint, which is also a very nice option. You can like write hello with it. Like it's very nice. Like if you click on a point with a spray for few minutes or like for few seconds, it will just like make a dot. as you can see. Now you can do it like everywhere, or you can just use a like normal paintbrush, which is also good. So I'm just not gonna save it, doesn't look good. Neither this. So now let's check for a few more apps. So let's check. Let's go to Microsoft Edge. It's better. So now I'm gonna open one of my PDFs. So now this is a PDF on which I'm gonna talk about in other tutorials. This one. So it has all very nice keyboard shortcuts which I'm gonna talk about later in other videos. So now you can also draw, like you can, let's say you can add something or color it if you want. Like if you forget something often, you can just write it again and again, or you can just like highlight it. It's like just take out the, click it again to enable it, I mean not enable it. Now if you like, so if you highlight this and right click, it will ask you to like, it will not ask, it will show you an option to highlight, and you can click any of these colors. So I'm just gonna do light blue. So let's say if I don't remember, like alt dot click, so I'm just gonna do highlight and yellow for, and you can here write like you can first change this. Now you can just like shade yellow and write not understand NU. It's your choice. For now I written NU because it's hard to write with a mouse. So now I'm gonna talk about calendars. So like this is also a very nice software provided by Microsoft, where like there are many different kind of things. Like let's say if you have one of your loved ones birthday on like 10th, so you can just do my like brother's birthday. Now you can add a time to it, not all day. So let's do like 6 a.m. to 12. It's your choice. I'm just doing a random time. Now location, it's your choice. You can add your name or anything. You can write USA or any other place if you want. So now remind me never maybe, or like 5 minutes before, and save. So this helps you, or like let's say on a day like on 17th you have a very important homework which you have to submit. Let's say science homework, or you can say project submission, and you can just change the time after clicking on all day because it gets ticked, so you can untick it. Now you can change it to like 6 or 5, it's your choice. So let's just do 6 and 2 7, no, so let's do 8:30, and you can like remind me 1 hour before, or let's say 15 minutes. Location not needed. So you can also save this, or like you can also do one more thing to test. I'm not gonna do it now, but like for testing you can change the timings, like change it to like an hour or like a bit less. show as busy. You can also change this reminder, repeat, and many other things. Or you can also change the emoji. Let's do a football one or airplane. That looks nice. And done. You can also check on my emoji like switch to do. So now I'm gonna just download this. So now it has been installed. So I'm just gonna launch it. So you can sign in with any account. So my would be already signed, as you can see, not the account. So now you can add a task. Like this is better for homework actually. So let's check a task like maths homework now. Maths homework. So now you can like change it, like add a step, automatic remind me. So let's say tomorrow. Or so now you can just click on this and pick a date and time by yourself. Now I'm just gonna do off like 27th, or let's just do off today 24th. I don't know what's the date, so I'm just gonna do 5th. Yeah, 5th. Now I'm just gonna change the time to like, let's do 1 o'clock or 8. So now save. So I've done this before my schedule, so nothing will happen. But if I do it on like other days, then it will occur. So I just done it like before. Or you can also do more lists. You can just list its homework, or let's say project. Now you can add things like hello or any different kind of things you want. So this is all. Thank you for watching my video, and like and subscribe to my channel.